Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy Patlan on a gorgeous Sunday. We're out here showing you another custom built home. We're right outside Del Valle, right beside the F1 racetrack. Hola mis amigos, aquí estamos afuera del 812, afuera del F1. Aquí estamos mostrándole otra casa que las hacen de mano, custom built home, como quien dice. Estas casas los gusta tener en el mercado, los gusta el tipo rancho, porque aquí sin restricciones, sin asociación, muy poco restricción, sin asociación. Mira aquí, automatic entry, okay? Beautiful, and you've got the stonework, you got 20%. 1 acre, un acre, mis amigos, 1 acre. Look at this home, custom built home, puro tabique por todos lados. You got that beautiful stonework throughout. Convirtieron el garage. They converted the garage into a media room, and I'll show you guys that in just a bit. It's actually really well done. And in the back, they've actually added a really long and elongated covered patio. So le convirtieron el garage, pero atrásito le pusieron un patio para que se pueda estacionar los camionetas, las trocas. Y miren, look at this. I mean, that door alone is superb. That's money, man. That's what we're talking about. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 4 recámaras, 3 baños enteros, construida en 2013, constructed in 2013. Now, again, it has a media room, it has an office, it's got a bunch of little extras. Guys, custom built home. This one's on market for $599,900. You got on market for $599,900. No detail was spared. And as a bonus, it's got a small efficiency apartment in the back. The bonus tiene un departamentito afuera atrás de una recámara para que puedas poner a los teenagers, ¿verdad? Puedas poner a los abuelos, o si se porta mal el esposo, full functional office. Again, this is not a bedroom, this is an office. You got 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and an office, and a utility room, and a media room. Okay? Oficina. Aquí tiene para sus utilities, sus lavadoras y todo. And this is what they call a media room, ¿verdad? Esto es para el media, para que puedas poner tus películas. Ahí pones tus teles para tus deportes. Aquí le cae un tele de 72 pulgadas, 100 pulgadas, lo que usted quiera poner. Mira qué tan amplio. Esta casa, estamos hablando de 3,500 pies cuadrados. 3,500 pies cuadrados. 3,500 square feet. 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 2013 year build. Right outside of Del Valle, Austin, 15-minute drive to the center of the city. Guys, these are the type of projects we like to work here. Non-traditional homes, your custom built homes. You meet los arcos. Look at these arches, man. This is the kind of stuff that really sells. This paint, you've got a semi-gloss, you've got the rounded edges, you've got the orange field texture, and this is the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, granite island countertop, custom built cabinet. Los gabinetes estaban hechos de mano, el granito, la tapa para que pueda poner sus silloncitos ahí, ya pueda poner el desayuno, y la parrilla, the stove, el horno de gas. We've got a gas stove here, guys, which is really nice because a lot of builders now are going all electric. Muchos de los que están construyendo ahorita están usando pura luz, pero aquí el señor se fue con gas. Y tiene 2 master bedrooms, ¿ok? Mira este segundo master, second master bedroom. So again, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, with an office, with a media room, and a double master. Look at this guy. And you gotta see this nice, beautiful paint job done inside. It's got the lime green paint job. It really pops. Tiene su limoncito verde, muy pocas restricciones, sin asociación, pueden traer sus trailas, pueden traer sus lanchas, pueden traer sus turbines, nadie le va a decir nada, puede poner sus caballitos allá atrás. Este es tipo rancho, okay? This is a ranch style home. This is the true master. And you can see here, very spacious, custom built, arched ceilings, recessed lighting, shower and tub. I gotta show you guys that outside. That covered patio outside is awesome. It's got an outdoor kitchen. Beautiful cedar throughout, cedar posts with stonework, custom built home. You got a gas stove right behind here. Gas, aquí tiene para fully functioning sink with water plumbed in. And look at this patio. Gorgeous covered patio. But wait, There's more. Let me show you. Detached efficiency apartment. It's a 1-bedroom efficiency apartment complete with a kitchen and a bath. Okay, tiene un departamentito acá atrás, una recámara, completo con una cocina y con un baño. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, media room, office, 3,500 square feet, 1 acre, no HOA. Where are you gonna find this kind of stuff? We bring it to you, okay? This is what we do. We love working with our clients. We love working these areas. We love working these non-traditional homes. I wanna be your real estate agent. 15 years in the business. Andy Patlan, call me today.